Hi, Mario. It's such a beautiful day up in these mountains. I know it is. Whoa! I nearly fell off. Luckily, there's a ledge to hang on to. Yeah, there is. It's really good. It's a really good day. Oh gosh, it's getting dark. We gotta get in our house, Mario. It's getting dark, Mario. It's getting really, really dark outside. Better go in our house. Yeah. Let's go. Wow, it's such a beautiful day out here. It's more beautiful than it was before. It actually is. Yeah. Yeah. This is awesome. Let's go skydiving. Whee! Ah. Crap. Your turn, Mario. Yeah. Woo! This time I actually did. You're right, Mario. You're better at me than everything. Oh, no, I'm not. Don't be silly, man. Don't be silly like that, man. Like, seriously, don't. It's bad. It's like really bad, man. You know? Hang on. I want to do something. Okay. So we're going to have the 3DS take a picture of both of us. Okay? Yeah, okay. Okay. Let me go get it. Yeah. DS is here. Okay. Just open it up. Let's open it up. Luigi. Get it to the 3DS camera. Like it is right here. Nintendo 3DS. I don't want to take a video of this. You know? I don't want to. Change it to the camera. take a picture of us zoomed up. Cheese! Let's see how good these photos are. These are really great photos that we're getting, you know? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cheese! Okay, that's it. Not taking any more photos. So close. Those were some really good pictures, bro. You know? Yeah. Really good pictures. Really good pictures. Okay, now what else should we do? I do not know, Mario. I do not know, Mario. Let us find something. Okay. We'll do something. Yeah! Something!